Okay, today we will discuss a passage from 1987 question paper. Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya previous year question paper 1987. Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How many?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. How many hours you read today? Tell one by one. How many hours you read the passages?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir.
Okay, we will start passage.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
We'll complete fastly today. We must complete fastly today.
Okay, sir.
Yes, good evening, good evening. Sorry, Sharwanand, after long gap. Why didn't you came yesterday, day before yesterday? Okay, I will share the screen. In 1987. Today I will ask definitely you must tell this parts of speech. You should not miss these parts of speech. I will pick almost everyone. I think you have watched all those videos. Okay, now I am start reading. You go on reading yourself. In that time, I will also go on reading. Listen carefully, and you also try to read. This is second passage in 1987, the previous year question. So, normally by change of time, man changes, but certain men change the time in which they are living. Of such men, Mahatma Gandhi ji was one. He proved that the truth and non-violence are more powerful than the power of arms and ammunition. Gandhi ji was not only a politician but also a moralistic and philosophical person and also a guide. He showed equal respect to all religions. In his view, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians are equal. During his lifetime, he practiced this. During his entire life, he practiced non-violence because escape go to violence. Escape go to during his entire life, he practiced non-violence. He because escape go to violence. Okay, I have read as I am also in 5th class. So my goal now is to go through the questions. Then I have to find the answer. Okay, but before that, I will ask you some parts of speech. Sai Sharwanan, unmute yourself. What is What's the part of speech of OF OF? You are not ready means you tell me pass. Yes or no? Are you ready to tell? Okay, I will ask one more question. Politician. Noun or pronoun or what verb or? It is noun. Which type of noun? It is common noun. Of is preposition. Politician is commonly used. Means CM Chandrasekhar Rao is noun, and this is common noun. Okay. I wait. Okay. I think you all are next. Madhulika, tell me this. What is non-violence? Non-violence. Which parts of speech? Non-violence.
Non-violent.
Violence, non-violence. I will Google it for you. What is non-violence? Non-violence means Gandhiji will appear. Non-violence, the use of peaceful means, not force. Means I am not forcing you. That's non-violence. To bring about political or social change, the use of peaceful means, not force, to bring about political or social change. Gandhiji's commitment to principle of non-violence. He is committed for non-violence. These meanings of non-violence: law and order, lawfulness, order, peacefulness, peacefulness, harmony. Okay, I will go to next one. Okay. So first of all, I will go to directly questions and then I will move to passage. Why Gandhiji became great? He used to change with the change of time. He did not practice any religion. He was great leader both in politics and in philosophy. He changed the time in which he lived. So
He changed the time in which he lived.
yes, he changed the time, but certain men, normally by change of time, man changes, but certain men changes the time in which they are living. Of such men, Mahatma Gandhiji was one. He proved that truth and non-violence are more powerful than power of arms and ammunition. Gandhiji was not only politician, but also moralistic and philosophical person, also a guide. He showed equal respect to all religion. Yes, actually, is not a normal men change themselves, but certain men changes the time. So that's why Gandhiji became great, because he changed the time in which he lived. At that time, he changed that. What time he changed? He changed that we didn't got any freedom. We are not independent. We are struggled a lot to face British people. Okay, answer is D. The religion view of Gandhiji is different. How? He did not follow Hindu religion properly. Wait, I will unmute everyone so that you can also try. The religion view of Gandhiji is different. How? He did not follow Hindu religion properly. He did not follow any religion. He was a great leader, both politically. He changed the time. The religion view of Gandhiji is different. How? Gandhiji was not only politician but moralistic philosophical person. He showed equal respect to all religions. In his view, Hindus equal, all are equal. So, did not follow Hindu religion, it's wrong answer. He did not follow any religion, it's also wrong answer. In this passage, they are told that he did not follow any religion. He was not only politician but also moralistic. He showed equal respect to all religions. All are equal. Okay. During his life, he practiced that all religion are equal. He gave respect to all religion. So he was a great leader both politically and philosophically, or he changed the time in which he lived. He did not follow any religion. He did not follow Hindu religion properly. He was a great leader both politically, philosophically. Gandhiji was not only politically but also moralistic and philosophical person. Answer is C. C. He was a great leader both politically.
Sir, answer
C. Answer C.
Sir, option C, sir.
Sir, option C.
Sir, option C.
Option C.
Sir, option C.
Option
Okay.
C.
Okay. Very good.
Option C.
If
Option
we,
C, sir.
if we ask Gandhiji became great means he changed the time in which
Option
he lived. Okay. In Gandhiji's view, Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, and Christians are equal means he did not respect religion, he did not care different in religion, he did respect all religion equally, no religions are equal. Option
Option C.
Sir, option C.
he showed
Option
equal
C.
to all religions.
Sir, option C, sir.
Okay, once wait.
Option C, sir.
1 minute.
Option
These
C.
questions are not given by the JNVST officials. Actually, the people like you, the students like you went through exam now. After completion of their exam, are you understand? Am I audible? After completion of your exam, if you tell me the questions, I will prepare the question paper. Have you understood? Like that only at that time officials didn't release the question paper. That's why students like you told the questions and passage is by their remembering. Understood? Then these question papers are made. So you should not consider these all options and all questions deeply. That's why yesterday we have took a lot of time to complete this passage. Have you understood? We'll go through this passage again. Okay, if time permits. Okay, next. In Gandhiji's views, Hindu, Sikhs, all they have given. He did respect all religions equally. Yes, he have given. Showed equal respect to all religions. Okay. Of the following, which did not relate to Gandhiji's religion belief. Respect all religions. Yes, true. One religion was great to other religions. All religions were equal. Equal love towards all
Option
religions.
B.
Very good. Who told?
Option 2.
Yes. One
Option
religion
D, sir.
was
Our
great to
religion
other
was great to other religion.
Sir, option 2.
In three.
Option C, sir.
One religion
Yes,
was
everyone,
great
very
to
good.
other religion.
Intelligent students. You are excellent students. Yes. These three are one meaning only. All religions are equal for him. Respect to all religions. Yes. All religions are equal. Yes. Equal love towards all religions. Yes. Option B, which is not related to Gandhiji's religions belief. Option B, option 2. Very good. Option 2. What was proved by Gandhiji? Non-violence and truth were more powerful than arms and ambition. Very good. Yes.
Option A.
None of the
Option A. Sir, option A.
politics were more powerful than religions were more powerful than politics.
Sir,
Arms and
option
ambition.
A.
Yes, we'll go through this.
Option A,
See here given. He proved that truth and non-violence are more powerful than the power of arms and ammunition. Okay, very good. Yes, in this sentence only he has given. Where Gandhiji was not only a politician but moralistic and philosophical persons, also a guide. He showed equal respect to all religions. Where this here he proved that truth and non-violence are more powerful than the power of arms and ammunition. Okay, next one. Which one? This one, 19th one. What was sorrowful in Gandhi's history? People did not understand his message. A politician could not become a philosophical guide. The man who preached non-violence as a scapegoat to violence. A great leader was
Option
assassinated.
C. The man who preached as a scapegoat.
Yes,
option C, sir.
so we no need of understanding this sentence deeply, or we no need of understanding this scapegoat.
Option C, sir.
Yes,
Sir, option C. Sir, option 3, sir.
Sir, option C.
Scapegoat.
Sir, option C.
A person who is blamed the wrongdoing mistakes. faults of others. Okay.
మన కయ్యలే
So everyone told that he is doing wrong thing, means by following the non-violence, everyone told that he is doing wrong things. During his entire life he practiced non-violence, but he became a scapegoat to violence. A scapegoat to violence means if you follow good things, you will be bad for bad people. Understood? If you are a good person, if you are concentrating fully on studies, you will be bad for some people who don't care studies, people who neglect studies. Like that only, during his entire life of non-violence, opposite word of violence, he became a scapegoat to violence. Means for violence he became a scapegoat. Understood? If you are playing football, the people who won't like football, they will hate you, because hate you in the sense you are playing a football, they will hate you in playing football. So like that only, if you are studying, the people who won't like study, they will hate you, like that. In the sense, in that character, they won't like you. That's like that only. Your answer is, what was sorrowful in Gandhiji's history? Here, the man who preached non-violence as a scapegoat to violence. Option C. In this direct option, this is also direct answer. What were the two major sectors that proved Gandhiji's leadership? Religion and economics, social and economics, religion and politics, religion and social. What's the answer? Religion in this all things. Okay. Religion. We have to check one more thing. We have to check one more thing. So Gandhiji not only a political but also moralistic. He is a person. Understood? He is politician also. So that's why there is politics and religious. What were the two major sectors that proved Gandhiji's leadership? In this economics, now is they given economics, social? No, they didn't give an economics, social in this passage. Have you seen in this? Once completion of this class, you may read once again this passage. Okay, it's easiest passage actually.
Okay, sir.
Is
Religion and social.
where social given in this passage? Once show me. Is there any social given? Political. You see here, Gandhiji was not only a politician but also a moralistic, philosophical person. Also, showed equal respect to all religions. From here to here, answer is there. That's why answer is religion and politics. Politics means politician. Politicians will be in the politics. So answer is C. C is absolute answer.
Option is C.
Very good.
option C sir.
Sir, option C, sir.
Option 3.
If you have any doubts,
C, option 3.
do you have any doubts? Do you have any
No,
doubts?
sir.
Okay, very good.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You read
No,
this
sir.
sentence for 3 times. You will improve speed reading. You will improve
Okay,
speed
sir.
reading.
Okay,
Okay, we'll go through the first passage. I
Okay,
think
sir.
I will ask you. We'll go through this passage again. Firstly, I will complete. Okay, I will read it and I will make you listen perfectly. Okay, read the following passage and answer the questions that followed. One day, a person was walking on the road of Calcutta. One day, a person was walking on the road of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in a miserable state. Visualize properly. You may also read with me while I am reading. You may follow me while as means you may also read along with me. Okay, and visualize. Get into your mind properly. Feel it. One day, a person was walking on the roads of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in a miserable state. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically. In this, what are the both two persons? Person and old man. Two characters are there in this. Brother, the person called the old man, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. So here they are all given. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically. Who is telling this, brother? Person. So then the person asked the old man sympathetically, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. Later, the old man replied, I am very poor and I took a loan from a money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take legal action on me. Then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed, and the date of next hearing. The old man gave the details. On the date of hearing, the old man waited in the court for his name to be called, but the court did not call on his name. The old man was very much worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was removed. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. The old man came to know that the person who inquired about his loan on the road have repaid the loan. The unknown person on Calcutta roads was no one other than the great social reformer Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay, if you understood, show your thumb. Else, don't show your thumb. I will read again. If you understood the passage perfectly, show your thumb. Else, I will read again. Have you felt the passage deeply? Show your thumb. Okay, very good. Once again, I will read fastly. Within 30 seconds, I will complete. Read the following passage and answer the questions that followed. One day, a person was walking on the roads of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in miserable state. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically, Brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. Later, the old man replied, I am very poor and I took a loan from a money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take legal action on me. Then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed and the date of next hearing. The old man gave the details. On the date of hearing, the old man waited in the court for his name to be called, but the court did not call on his name. The old man was very much worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. The old man came to know that the person who inquired about his loan on the road have repaid the loan. The unknown person on Calcutta roads was no one other than the great social reformer Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar. Which item of the old man attracted Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar? Old man came across in his way. The old man was in a miserable state. The old man was wailed. He was an old man. Which item of old man attracted Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar? Who can tell the answer?
Option B.
Option B, yes. Old man was miserable in this only there.
Option B.
One day person walking on the road, Calcutta, then he saw the old man in the miserable state.
Option
This
B.
person- Yes.
Option B.
Option B, the old man was in miserable state. The old man did not tell the reason for his misery because Ishwara Chandra was famous person.
Ishwar Chandra was an
Unknown person. Very good. Very good. How many
unknown.
times you read this passage? Everyone in the class, tell me how many times you read this passage?
5 times.
2-3 times.
5 times.
5 times. Very,
Sir, 5
5 times.
times.
Very good.
2-3 times.
10 times also no problem.
5 times.
But typical
Sir,
passage.
5 times.
Very good. You read 5 times. Very good. If you read this passage for 10 times also no problem. This is typical passage because it will improve your visualization power. This will improve your understanding power. Okay, if you read again after this class also no problem. You go on reading for 5 times, 10 times, no problem. It improves. Yes, very good. Good person. Yes.
1988 answers.
Yes, you didn't send 1988 answers. Sir is telling that you didn't send the 1918 question paper answers. You may try. If you won't get good marks also, no problem. If you won't get above 90, above 80, above 70 also, no problem. But the thing is, you have to learn. Why didn't you lost that 10 marks? If you get 90, you have to think why you lost 10 marks. You go through that 10 questions. What's the mistake? Conceptual mistake or grammatical mistake or simple error? What type of error you have done in the 10 mistakes? If you've done 20 mistakes, you can learn in which topics I was weak. You can check that topics and you go through the SAR's YouTube video. In that all lessons, all previous questions chapter wise are told. You can watch them. In which concept I am lagging, you can go through that SAR's conceptual videos also there. You can go through them. And in which part I am lagging, means speed and accuracy, or I am making silly mistakes, you can check like that. If you lost 30 questions also, you didn't know some concepts. So what you have to do? You have to learn that concepts. That's first priority. If you lost 40 questions, means you're more, I think you're at least 25 to 30% of concepts are you are lagging. So you have to rectify. First thing, what main priority is, you have to learn from your mistakes. Why I have lost this 10 marks? Why I have lost 20 marks? Understood? Okay, I will see who will send to SAR and who will analyze what they have went wrong. Okay, next, the finally, for what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery?
Ishwar Chandra was very kind.
Yes,
Ishwar Chandra
very
was
good.
very
was very kind.
There is no need of believing.
Chandra was very kind.
Yes, if you won't get math questions also, you can see that PPT is chapter wise. Okay, you go on watching, because if you won't understand today, it's your mistake. If you lost marks, no problem, it's won't affect you a lot. But if you won't analyze and if you won't study now, it's biggest mistake of you. Understood? You have a lot of time to study. Don't waste your time. Okay, na? Okay, next, finally, for what reason the old man is completed? Next, why did Ishwara Chandra asked about the date of hearing? Because he was a liar, because he is anxious of knowing it. He loved the old man. He could not pay back the loan he taken. Once wait, in this question, answer given is D. I think SAR has sent answers to those who completed the answers and sent to SAR. If you complete in your paper only, SAR will send you. If you click photo and send you to send that to SAR only, he will send you answers. So okay, those who received the answers, in that answer will be D. But D, why D? I will tell. First of all, in this type of questions, all these questions were made by people like us. Actually, if you at that time in 1987, who wrote the exam, those students told the questions to these publication persons. Understood? At that time, the question papers were not given back, not given to students to take it to home. While I am writing also, I think they have took the question paper with them only. So from that time, that's why they have collected the questions from students. So those publications wrote that he could not pay back the loan. That's why actually they have to mention that old man could not pay back the loan he had taken. Then it will be correct answer. Understood? Actually, he is anxious of knowing it also. It won't come that much 100% accurate answer. Understood, everyone in the class? Actually, if we think deeply, means no correct,
Yes,
no
sir.
one is nothing. Everything is wrong answer. But D will be correct when old man could pay. Yes.
old man.
First of all, Ishwara Chandra asked about next hearing. Next hearing means if there is a next hearing in the court only, we will give the complaint to court now. So first of all, he in this passage only there, you don't go outside. Then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed and the date of next hearing. So he inquired about the court where the suit was filed and the date of next hearing. Understood? That's why the answer is why he have given to next hearing. First of all, they are asking he given to next hearing. He told to court it's good. But why did Ishwara Chandra asked about the next date of next hearing? Because at that time, at the end of that, means till that date, he can't pay that money now. That's why. He could not pay that loan, he taken back. That's why answer is D. Only if we mention old man in the place of he. Okay. Till now this is wrong answer, but D is correct only when old man. Okay. I think you understood perfectly. Okay, now? Right. Okay, we move with another question. But these type of questions they won't give in official question papers. Okay, you don't worry about this. Main thing is you have to understand the passage and you have to pick from the passage only. Okay, next. The old man was very, actually this also come, I think he was anxious of knowing it, because then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed and the date of next hearing. The old man gave the details. Okay. Like this type of questions, you have to pick from the passage directly and you may leave it. Okay. Remaining answers are most important for us. In this, B or D. D is only correct. Old man is replaced by him. Next, the old man was very much worried in the court because he could not get his daughter's marriage. He was very poor. Ishwara Chandra did not believe him. He could not
Option
repay the
B,
loan
he
he
could
has
not
taken.
repay the loan he has taken.
Yes, that's why he has
Option B.
Option
B, sir.
Yes, if I won't get the name,
Option
I have, how can I repay the loan?
Option D.
Yes.
D, sir.
But the court did not call on his name. The old man was very worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. Okay. Next, why did the suit of an old man revoked? Ishwar Chandra paid the loan on him in his behalf. A court official paid the loan on his behalf. Money lenders did not show much
Ishwar
interest on his
Chandra
suit.
paid the
Very
loan
good.
on his
Yes.
behalf.
Yes.
Option A.
Option A. The old man came to know that person was inquired about his loan. Road was the unknown person Calcutta Road. Yes, repaid totally and suit was revoked. But it's this has deep to answer this question you must need deep understanding, because from here to here you have to understand. They have asked why his case was removed. The court people told him that debt due to his name was repaid totally and the see, listen, the old man very much worried and inquired reason for not calling. The court people told him that debt due on his name was repaid totally and suit was revoked. This is the question. They asked that what they asked, why did suit on old man revoked? Someone paid on his behalf. That's the answer they have given. The court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and suit was revoked. But who paid? They didn't given in this sentence. You have to understand from this sentence to here. On hearing that, old man felt very happy. The old man came to know that person who inquired about his loan on the road have repaid the loan. Here also they didn't give Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Here they have given the unknown person on Calcutta Road was no other than the great social reformer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So that much understanding you have to require, that much focus you have to require from here to here. Understood? So correctly plan it for this. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar paid the loan on his behalf. Okay. Next, not only the old man was separate, but he was happy for
The unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf. Option B.
yes, the unknown person repaid the loan on his behalf.
Sir, option B, the unknown person repaid on the loan on his behalf.
Yes, the court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid.
Option
totally.
B.
B.
Option B, sir.
B is absolutely correct answer, because the court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, old man felt very happy. The old man came to here till now. On hearing this only, old man felt very happy. On hearing what? This was repaid totally by unknown person. Okay, that was repaid totally. Repaid the loan. Half. Okay, very good. So how many hours you are studying? You one by one tell me once. Okay, for how many hours you are studying, everyone in the class?
Sir,
How many hours
I
you are studying
studied
the
2 hours
passage?
this passage.
How many times you read this passage? How many times?
5 hours.
Who read for 5 times?
6 times.
Okay, very good.
Sir, 2 hours.
Sir, 6 times.
Yes, if you make sounds, it will be shown to me. I think this yellow color box will be
2
shown for
hours.
me who are speaking in the class. Okay, excuse me, I'm listening to you. This person is making sound. Simon with once on your video. Put on your video. You can put on your video and you may do like that. Because in this class it will show who is speaking in the class. It will show yellow color box. Okay, very good. Now Lakshmi Sanvi is speaking. 2 hours. Very good. You have to read daily. Yesterday only not important. It's not enough.
Sir, I read 2 hours. Sir, I read the passage 6 times.
Okay, very good, very good.
Sir, I read the passage 6 times.
See Harshvardhan. Put on your videos, everyone in the class.
Sir, 5 times.
How many hours you read Simon with? Okay, Madhulika, very good. Lakshmi Sanvi, very good. Sini, Bhuvanasi, very good, everyone. Simon with how many hours you read yesterday? Very good. You improve for 2 hours. Okay. You have to improve speed reading. Understood, everyone? Not only Simon with. Okay.
Yes,
I will test from tomorrow. I will pick one person. Okay. I am stopping this class. Prepare well. Study well. Don't waste your time. And you send your answers to sir. Okay. Send that answers. This previous question paper.
Okay, sir.
You first of all feel like you are in the exam hall. First of all, first you sit at, what's your exam time? Do you know the exam time? 11:30. 11:30 is the exam time. So 2 hours. You sit for 2 hours only, enough. Seriously. If you want to drink water, you can keep water bottle beside you and sit for 2 hours seriously. And in that 2 hours, what you have to do? You have to focus perfectly and write the answers. Seriously, means you feel like you are sitting really in the exam hall. Understood? You went to 1987. I think you didn't born at that time, but you go back to 1987, 1988, and you feel like that, and you go on writing exam from 11:30 to 1:30. Understood? 2 hours. 2 hours exam, or how many hours your exam? 120 minutes now. For each question one. If 120 questions means for each question 1 minute. But there is no 120 questions. 60, 100 questions are there. Okay. You start with tomorrow onwards. When you will start, you start at exactly 11:30.
11:30.
If you start at 11:30, you should not get up till 1:30. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Snacks also you may eat.
Okay,
11:30
sir.
to 1:30 is the exam time. You will get seriousness and it will be
Okay, sir.
helpful in your exam day. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Very good. Very good,
Okay,
children.
sir.
Follow these things. Okay, right. Bye. Goodbye. Okay. Right.